Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I've had so much happen in my life and yeah, so today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite pumpkin spice pumpkin muffins. I'm in Boston right now. I came to visit because my little cousin passed. So I have content, so I'm like I got to keep going because life goes on. But I'm going to show you how I make my favorite pumpkin spice since now I'm in Boston and pumpkin spice is a big deal around here. So let me show you how I make my pumpkin spice. I have a couple more pumpkin spice recipe coming up, so stay tuned for those. So for this recipe, you need flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt. Uh, Mix all of this together and then set aside. I will link the recipe in my website. I would love it if you support me there because that really will help me a lot when it comes to being able to help my family and visit my family more because I moved to Dallas and coming up here is not easy. So if you subscribe to my channel, that would be really helpful, and you subscribe to my website. It's $4.99 a month and you get the written recipe. So in a separate bowl, add sugar, granulated sugar, and you're gonna add the pumpkin puree. Make sure you use real pumpkin puree. You can make your own pumpkin puree, just bake it and then puree it. It's much better than the canned stuff because sometimes the canned stuff is not real pumpkin. So make your own puree, but you could also find the real pumpkin puree. So check Whole Foods for the real stuff. So go ahead and add that to the bowl, and then we're gonna add eggs, the oil, sugar, and pumpkin spice. I bought this pumpkin spice from Amazon. I will post the link in the description box below. You can check it out if you want to buy it. I am actually recording this without a mic, so forgive me if you hear a lot of noise. I didn't bring anything. I just put my laptop and my SD cards in my SD card reader because I wanted to. I didn't know I was gonna be staying that long, but here I am, 3 weeks in. So we'll see. Go ahead and mix all of that stuff together. The pumpkin spice. You can make your own pumpkin spice. It's super easy. It's nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, ground cloves, all of that kind of good stuff. But you can also buy it from Amazon, from the store. I got mine from Amazon because I just got mine from Amazon. You can get it from any store, to be honest. And for this recipe, well, we're using brown sugar and granulated sugar. And add the oil, and then go ahead and mix it very well. It's been 3 weeks since my cousin passed, and I've been wondering whether I should post or not, but life goes on. Vanilla extract, make sure you add that. So there's so much thing that I've always wanted to do for my cousins and my siblings, and I always promise them that once I make it on YouTube, they will get this, they will get that, because my cousins, my family is very supportive of me, especially my little cousins. They will get their friends to subscribe to watch my channel. I remember there was a time, and I wanted to start monetizing my YouTube because at the time we have to reach 1,000. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched, and they will all be watching my videos every single day to help me reach that watch time. So you know so I must be growing even though I didn't get to do much for him. But I have my other cousin, his little brothers that I can fulfill their dreams. Uh, anyway, I don't know. Anyway, so um, I just wanted to put something. I just want to keep going. I don't want to just stop now because life just goes on. So after you mix the pumpkin puree, the stuff, go ahead and add the flour mixture and go ahead and whisk it with a whisk. Don't overbeat it because you don't want it to become uh anyways, you guys. I'm like, I just need a nap right now. You can also, I added not yogurt, sour cream to it. Feel free to add the sour cream when you're adding the rest of the sugars, because I had forgotten to add the sour cream, but sour cream really make it so much moist and really nice. So 100% suggest you add sour cream, but you don't have to add it after you add the flour. You can add the sour cream when you're adding the pumpkin puree, the sugar, and all that stuff, and then go ahead and mix well, and then transfer to the pan. I am using this large pumpkin pan, but you can use the small ones. And when you use the big ones, it takes a little bit longer to cook, but do not overcook it. So I cooked mine for 30 to 45 minutes until it was ready on 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to also preheat your oven, and to make sure to to figure out whether it's cooked or not, you can stick a toothpick or like a fork, something clean, in the middle of it. If it comes out clean, then it's ready. If it's not, then it's not ready. Yeah. So, yeah. That's really what I have for you guys today. I don't have much. I really don't have much to like. I do have a lot more videos coming. But I just don't have the energy to do it because I'm still like trying to figure things out in my mind. I don't know. I'm still in a state of, I don't even know what stage I am, because some days I feel like this is real. Some days I'm like, I don't know, just like, it's weird. If I'm going through a weird time, sometimes I'm like, okay, this isn't true, and I'm like, I don't want to think about it. And then it's like, yeah, this is actually really true, and I'm like, no, it's not. You know, it's weird. But yeah, but I still want to keep posting because I think one of the things that I take away from this experience is that I need to do what I need to do. I've always been scared to do certain things. I've always wanted to do different things with my YouTube channel, but I've always been scared. My friends been pushing me, but I've just been scared, and I think that really set me back. Maybe had I actually did what I wanted to do with my YouTube channel, I probably would have had the opportunity to do the things that I wanted to do for him. You know, now looking back, it's like I'll never get to do that. You know, and that really breaks my heart. Because he supported me so much, and yeah. But you'll see my channel takes a different route, and this is one of the reasons why I changed my channel name, Sendy Cookin and everything, because I wanted to do different things. But I've always just been so scared, and that really set me back. And now I just wish I actually did what I wanted to do, and I would have had the opportunity. I know that I would have made it, and I would have had the opportunity to do the things that I wanted to do, do the things I wanted to do them, you know. And I never got that chance, and I never will. And that really breaks my heart. There are people in my house, so like there's noises, you guys. But yeah, I don't know. It feels so horrible. Like I didn't even talk about it. I just have to pray, you know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this pumpkin spice muffin. If you do enjoy my channel, please consider subscribe, and if you would like to support me, you can just subscribe, like my video, or subscribe to my website, my Tbsp website, where I actually post the recipes, the recent recipes. I like to post them on YouTube too, just because that's how I started. But at the same time, I have to support myself one way or another, because I don't really make anything from you, and it takes a lot of my time to make those videos, because I also work a full-time job and a part-time job to support myself. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I do really hope you enjoy this recipe, because I love pumpkin. It's pumpkin spice season, especially if you're from New England. So enjoy this video, and you know what to do. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I don't know whether I'm gonna post my legume recipe next time, but I do have my legume recipe that I've been looking forward to posting, because it was so good. But stay tuned for it. I'll probably post it on Thursday, but I'm gonna start working on it this week, tonight actually, so I can post it on Thursday. But I've been so busy trying to help out, you know. But yeah, so I'll see you again.